Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To prevent the strings after boiling or baking sweet potatoes is to first cut both ends off. After the stringy ends have been cut off, place potato on a cutting board or cutting surface and use the knife to cut the entire thing horizontally, slicing the entire potato into pieces.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
These strings come from growing a potato in soil that is too fertile. The potato is a root and roots store nutrients. Grown in soil that is too fertile, sweet potato vines will grow fast and big, and the result is long stringy roots or potatoes.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The skin of a yam left looks kind of like tree bark, while a sweet potato right is more reddish-brown. Real yams are entirely different root vegetables that are more like yucca in texture and flavor. They have bumpy, tough brown skin that looks almost tree trunk-like, with starchy, not sweet flesh.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Just as cookies are overdone if they look done in the oven, sweet potato pie should not look done in the oven. The center of the pie should have some jiggle to it. The reason for this is carryover heat. It takes time for the pie to cool down to the point where it is no longer going up in temperature.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.